Hey, good afternoon, folks. I'm meteorologist Jacob Matthews with a quick update on what we are experiencing weather-wise at this time. So as you can see on our radar right here, we can see a line of rain showers moving in from the west. Looks like there have been a few weather statements issued in eastern Ohio, but we're also seeing what is called a tornado warning near Boardman. So it's out of our area, but still, if you have people living around that area, if you have anybody you know, relatives, anybody living near the Boardman area, just let them know that, well, we're going to be dealing with a chance of a possible tornado. Now, this is a tornado warning, so looks like actions should be taken right now. This is happening southwest of Boardman at this moment. You can see from this radar a bit of purple right here, so looks like some heavy rainfall within that area. But again, this is radar indicated as well. So even if there is rotation, well, that doesn't mean there's rotation actually hitting the ground. It's rotation within the cloud base. So, for example, with the radar that I have right now, let's see, I think I have Cleveland radar. Looking out from the Cleveland radar, it looks like this is happening at an elevation of about 4,000 feet in the air. So this is detecting rotation possible 4,000 feet up in the air. Now, if we go over to the Pittsburgh radar, which is a little closer, we can see uh, radar from the Pittsburgh radar. Rotation is being detected at about 2,500 feet in the air, so maybe a little closer to the ground. All right. All right, now I'm just checking to see who's in. Vicki Jones, thanks for keeping us informed. Yeah, no problem. And Barbara Thompson is here. Nice to meet you, Barbara. Yep. Well, it's not just a tornado warning. We're also seeing a severe thunderstorm warning making its way into I-79 just south of Grove City. It looks like Butler County. So looks like there might be some severe thunderstorm activity happening down there. Let's take a look at the lightning counter. All right, so it looks like seems like it's mostly negative strikes. Negative strikes meaning lightning strikes happening within the clouds. But as for Erie and Crawford, well, it looks like we're just dealing with a swath of rain showers right now. Not really seeing a lot of thunderstorms. Even with the Cleveland radar, yeah, we're not really seeing a lot of thunderstorms right now because the rain is just not heavy enough to really get all of that rain rubbing with the clouds. With the rain rubbing against the clouds, you get a bit of static electricity happening high up in the air, and that could cause all of those thunderstorms. But that's happening near Boardman, where we're also seeing a tornado warning. Again, with a tornado warning, well, you may want to take action, but still, this is radar indicated. From the Pittsburgh radar, this is indicating rotation about 2,500 feet up in the air. So it doesn't necessarily mean that there's a tornado touching down on the ground. It just means there's some rotation in the air that could potentially set up a tornado if it were to touch the ground. All right. I think I just got a text from Craig and Tom. Let's see. Oh, never mind. It was just a little bit of a joke. All right. So yeah, just to recap, there is a tornado warning happening near Boardman and Youngstown, Ohio. So with the warning, you want to take immediate action. Just be sure to get yourself indoors quickly and get yourself prepared for any potential tornado to touch down. Again, this is radar indicated from the Pittsburgh radar. Well, this is indicating rotation 2,500 feet above the ground. So that doesn't necessarily mean that there's a tornado hitting the ground right now. It just means there's rotation, which could potentially set up a chance for a tornado. But right now, there's just a lot of rotation, a lot of heavy rain, so that could be a pretty negative impact for travel conditions. Just be sure to take it slow on the road if you live in Eastern Ohio, at least this part of Eastern Ohio. Take it slow and yeah, just overall, just be careful and try to get yourself indoors as quickly as possible. And if you must go outdoors, just just again, be careful and take it slow. All right. Any severe storms for us from Adam Ripley? No, we're not seeing any lightning within Erie County, Crawford County, or even in Warren. In fact, we are seeing a break in the cloud cover, but that's not going to last very long because we're going to see another swath of rain. But this is going to be pretty light rain right now. It's not going to be heavy enough to produce any thunderstorms. Which direction is it heading? Good question. Let's pull up the arrows. So it looks like it's heading in the east-northeast direction. This is moving at about 24 miles per hour. And just away from Erie right now. Get the ruler. About 19 miles away. And it's moving at 24 miles per hour. So in less than an hour, expect rain to fall within downtown Erie. And if you live closer to Meadville, the rain may be a little heavier. You may experience moderate rainfall in less than an hour as well, maybe in the next 30 minutes. But overall, this is going to be light to moderate rainfall, nothing too heavy, not heavy enough to produce any severe thunderstorms. It looks like the bulk of the severe weather is going to stay to our south, according to the Storm Prediction Center. If I can pull that up real quickly. Where's that graphic? That's not the right one. Just give me a little bit of a moment here. I just need to pull up that Storm Prediction Center graphic. All right. It's around here somewhere. Is this it? Oh, wait, that's day 2. All right, let me just fix that real quickly. Get rid of this text here. All right. There it is. So we're in the light green, meaning we're just going to see a chance of possible thunderstorms, mainly south of Erie County, possibly closer to Meadville. The marginal risk is where we're seeing the higher chances of severe weather, maybe a chance of a tornado if it touches down, but right now we're just seeing radar indicated rotation high up in the air, as well as some heavy downpours. But as for us, it looks like we don't have to worry so much about severe weather. All right. So yeah, which direction will the rotation be heading? Another good question. Let me just pull that up. Get back to the radar. There we go. So it looks like the rotation happening near Boardman is going into the east-southeast direction at about 22 miles per hour. So it looks like if it sustains itself, it could reach Western Pennsylvania within maybe, I want to say the next half hour or so. Maybe within the next half hour, we could still see that rotation into Western Pennsylvania, possibly near Newcastle, but that is if it actually sustains itself, if we still have rotation. So just be on the lookout for that. As of now, it's still affecting Boardman and Youngstown, but who knows? Maybe this could really change. Still, it is a warning, so just take action immediately and try to find some shelter. Or if you're outside, just be sure to finish whatever errand you have going on right now as quickly as possible. All right. Well, that's it. I just wanted to give a little update on if we are seeing severe weather or not. And well, the answer is we're not. for Erie County, Crawford County, and Warren. Looks like it's just going to stay to our south of I-80 for the most part. So we're pretty much in the clear, but just be on the lookout for maybe a few thunderstorms and maybe a chance of a heavy downpour, but nothing too bad. All right, have a great evening, everybody. Take care, and I'll be back to talk about weather for the 6 o'clock show. That will be on Jet 24 Action News at 6. All right.